How to add smart device to Google Home. To add smart device to your Google Home, you first of all have to launch the Google Home application on your device. Once you open it, you simply have to fully set up the smart device within its own official companion application first. Then connect your smartphone to the same exact Wi-Fi network your smart home devices are using. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is activated to help scan for nearby hardware. Now you simply have to launch the application itself, then tap the Devices tab in the bottom navigation bar, then tap the floating plus add icon in the bottom right corner. Select the Google Nest or partner device if you are setting up Google official gear, or choose Works with Google Home if you are connecting a third-party brand. Now you simply have to link your smart device profile and start using it. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.